Like, hello guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, so we are tech for everyone. Okay, so these are the certificates that we have. Okay, okay, so meet the team. I go by name. I go by the name Eric Afe, popularly known as Sensitive, and I have a friend. Okay, so we have Yovi, we have Ken and Cancer, we have Ebenezer Edu as well. Please kindly mute yourself. Please kindly mute yourself. Someone kindly mute yourself, please. Someone. Someone kindly mute yourself. Okay, so I go by the name we have from Eric. I have so meet the team. I have Jovo, Vincent. I have we have Ken and Cancer and Ebenezer Edu. Okay, so tech for everyone. It's a company that we are creating, but this company is a non-profitable company which is trying to gap the which is trying to bridge the gap between the students, regardless of their educational background, to and the latest technology. So students want to explore and do so many things in technology, but they are sometimes limited by their educational background. And this is what we want to do. We want to connect them as much as possible, give them the necessary skills, and the okay. So sorry for that. I supposed to make someone an admin so that that person will be accepting a new people, but this is my first time organizing a big event like this, so I forget to do that. Sorry for that. Okay, so our mission is to provide tech awareness. So many people want to get into tech. So many people don't know what the real world or how the future of tech is going to be, right? So I found people will be like, they will be like, Eric, what should I do? which degree should I do? So this leads to we are going to give tech awareness to SHS people. What degree should they regardless of their educational background, what degree will help them. Okay, so and like this one, since we are training you in to get a technical certificate, we are doing the tech education, and we want to also increase ladies in technology. Especially Africans, few ladies are into technology, which is very bad. So we want to encourage them, empower them, um, to get into technology. Okay, so we also want to help people grow on LinkedIn. So many in my school, I'm in the university and in my school, so many people don't know about LinkedIn, which is very bad. If you go to other world like India, you will see a 12-year guy who is having a LinkedIn account. So we want to train people on LinkedIn. We want to also bring a program called Student Ambassador Program. So this program will help students to the vision that we have. They will also we also we help students to get a certificate and also teach people how to also uh, get these certificates and get into tech, right? And we also want to organize some tech competition with some prizes that will help. It will ginger people to get into technology, right? Okay, so let me accept some people are waiting. Oh, sorry for keeping you guys waiting. I'm sorry. Okay, so here's what we want to do. So the first thing that we are doing is the Microsoft certification program. So please, if you join, kindly, I don't want to meet anyone. Okay, so the first what we are going to do is the Microsoft certification program, and the second one will be the tech awareness program, right? And why should one be on LinkedIn, right? Why should you be on LinkedIn at all? Because if I'm saying what LinkedIn have done for me, I don't want to be selfish and keep it for myself. I want the world to know why you should be on LinkedIn. And student ambassador program too will be our fourth step that will go. We also want to make tech delicious. In fact, tech is delicious, but people don't know. So we want to organize some tech competition. I always see so many competition in especially in Ghana, but they are all this kind of science and math. But I want us to do something like technology competition, like very big one, even more than the science and math people, because nowadays that's what's solving the problem. Technology work with science and math, but I want to do the pure tech, right? Okay, so let's move on to the reason that you are here. So the reason why that you are here, want to acquire the certificate, right? Through this training. So let's see how it's going to be done. The first step that you will have to do, which I'm going to show you all these steps. Don't worry, don't worry. I got you. I got you. So the first one is register. We will help you register for the certification, and you will attend the online training. So this online training is by Microsoft, right? So it's online training, and I'll make sure that whatever you need to, like an advice, since I've been there before, like I'm the right person to show you what to do and what not to do. Okay, then you book for the day that you want to take your exams, the day that you want to take your exams. Then I'll give you the tricks. So we have tricks and tips that helps you pass your exams. So if you don't know, you just go the raw way, and that's why it's always to get advice from people who have been where you want to be before, right? And one thing people underrate is not showcasing their certificates on the online platform. This is very necessary. I have so many certificates, and if I didn't put them online, I'll lose track of it, which is very bad, right? So you have to know how to showcase your certificate, which will help you. which will help employers to know that the guy or this lady is having this knowledge. Okay, so why should you join or why should you participate? So as we said, regardless of your educational background, we will help you with some tech skills, right? Oh, they should wait a bit. Okay, so opportunity to gain Microsoft and Google certificate. Guys, today we are talking about Microsoft. There are more to come because I have the resources to help you get into tech, right? I have the resources and it's free, it's for free. We are not taking you anything. And we are also going to, you know, there's so many people asking me, Eric, how are you growing your LinkedIn account? So I was like, okay, you guys don't worry. I'm bringing up a team. I'm bringing up a team which will help you how to just grow your LinkedIn account, right? And I have some big men on board. I don't want to mention them. Some are from India, some are from the US, some are from, and they are here with you. So if you are having any difficulty, just put it in the group and they will be willing to help you as well. Let me try to accept these people. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Um okay. So so that's it. Okay, so we have so many programs that will be like you can be a beneficiary of not just this one, and you can also try to sponsor us, right? Because everything involves money. So we want to. This is the first free certification course that we are putting out there. We are going to train you, help you acquire the certificate. It's not like we are just going to show you how to get it, and we just we don't care anymore. We are going to show you and help you get it. So if you are having any question, you can reach out to us, Eric. I want to. I'm finding it difficult, and I don't get this. Then I'll try to explain it to you. And the tech awareness, we are trying to start with the less endowed schools. That means schools that are in the village, the schools that are in the village and other stuff. And as I said, the student ambassador program. Okay, so we want to also listen to this one very carefully. Solve a problem with tech talent, right? So Africa, we have so many problems. So imagine we have a system that we are going to help. We are going to tell students that, okay, this is the necessary things that you need, right? So try to solve a problem in your own surrounding with tech, and this is the prize that you are going to get. Imagine how brilliant people can come together to solve a particular problem with tech. Okay, so before we move on to our how you guys can get the certificate for free, like how the registration of the certification. If you have any questions, you can just ask, and I have. Okay, okay. So you just raise your hand, please. Raise your hand because if everyone is going to talk here, it's going to be something else. So if you have any question, just raise your hand, and I'll just allow you to talk. Okay, but before that, if you haven't followed us on our various social media handles, kindly follow us. Just type tech for everyone. So we are heavily on LinkedIn, right? We are heavily on LinkedIn, but very soon we have the YouTube account and the Instagram account. But very soon we'll be posting there. But we are heavily on LinkedIn and YouTube. But today I'll show you the YouTube channel. So kindly follow us on LinkedIn. So if you have any question, just raise your hand and I'll hold. Or if you have any question, just put it in the chat before we go to the registration process. Okay, so let me check the chat. Okay, so boss, we are recording the meeting, so I'll make it available to you guys. Don't worry. So I'm waiting for 1 minute. If um I'm not getting any response, then we move on straight to how you can register for the certification for free. And guys, okay, let me show you one thing before we are waiting. Let me show you what you get after doing this. It's very beautiful, right? It's very beautiful. So you see, when you are done with the exams, you get a transcript from Microsoft. You just imagine a transcript from Microsoft. So to show you the score that you got, um, and this one is the AI, and I'm not showing this to just boast of myself, but I just want to tell you that it's not hard. You can get it, like, and I'm ready to help you, right? So you get a transcript and um a certificate with the CEO of Microsoft, an Indian. Shout out to every Indian here. I have so many Indian friends, and one is a junior data scientist. I don't want to mention his name. He's very shy, shy type. Okay, so you know, Satya Nadella is an Indian, and he is the CEO of Microsoft. So there are two different certificates. So this one is Azure Fundamentals, and this one is Azure AI Fundamental. And guys, if you are able to commit to this group, whatever you say, we say you follow, you are going to get it. It's very simple. This one is not rocket science. It's very simple. So that's just by the way. I have other certificates. When you stay on track, I'll help you get all these certificates. So um oh, you are now coming. Okay, so the questions, I think we don't have any question. Okay, so guys, if you okay, so before that, let me know where you are coming from. Just put it in the chat. I know some people are coming from Kenya, so just let me know if you are from Ghana. My homies, just type it in the chat. I'm from Ebia. Hey, I'm from Ghana. Just mention your name and type where you are. Yeah. I would like to see the people that we are dealing with. So um, I'm waiting. If not, then I'm going straight to how. Okay, Maya from from Ghana. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Maya, you are doing a great job. Oh, Nancy from Ghana. Oh, I'm glad to. You see, when I see ladies like this joining the tech community, then I'm melting. Yes, because we want ladies in the tech industry so that sometimes they will motivate us. Or just a regular guy from Ghana. Oh, Charlie, my Ghanaian community. Okay, King's Pride is also from Ghana. Guys, keep the chat flowing. I'm happy to have you guys on board, and I'm very humble. I always say that no matter how God will lift me, like you shouldn't like look down from people regardless of their so regardless of whether they know tech, whether they have money, you have to treat everyone equally, right? So I really appreciate you guys just even trusting in me and joining this link. I'm much grateful. Okay, so keep on saying something in the group before we move on. Okay, so we will be still waiting for your name and your country, but I don't want to keep this meeting very long. So, okay, so Susan Jones from Accra, Ghana. Oh, Jones, you are welcome. I know that by 1 month, is it 1 month? Less than a week, so you guys will be having your certificates and you'll be happy. Like, yeah, it's good. Like, you are going to get it. It's possible. Like, it's not rocket science, guys. Okay, so I just want to move on so let me just show you how you can do it. So first of all, I'll put the link in the chat. But you let me show you. So just type in Microsoft training days. Just type in this Microsoft training days. And Microsoft is I really like this company because their recruiters are free. They like people like yeah they have this kind of humor. So I'm always trying to find opportunity in this company. I'm not saying that other Gogo. I know Kobe is Ghostly is a Gogo fan. I'm not saying Gogo, but like I'm more used to Microsoft because I started writing their certification and I fell in love with it. And I'm preparing to write more of their certification. That's the data science. And guys, yeah, you can do it as well. Like, okay, hello guys. Okay, so we have AI fundamentals. So let me show you how you can register this opportunity. Let me show you how. So bear in mind, the earlier the better. So kindly, I would like if everyone can register it just from now. Just register it. So this one is AI fundamental. When you talk about AI, it's artificial intelligence, right? So artificial intelligence is I don't want to explain artificial intelligence here because it's a broad topic. So this is their virtual training. So Microsoft, when you join their virtual training, they are going to give you. Okay, so let's click on it and let's see what's happening. Okay, someone is waiting. Oh, sorry guys, someone is waiting. I thought someone was waiting. Okay, let me just try. Okay, so see this one. So see take this one is very important to know. See take the Microsoft Azure AI fundamentals at no cost. So if you're able to register here, just register my name, Eric, my last name, Yafe, my email, just put everything here, then my number, my country code, I'm from Ghana. Okay, so Ghana. So I'm from Ghana. Hey, where is Ghana? I cannot find my own country. Okay, Ghana. Okay, so the job role maybe I'm a student, just a mere student. I'm a student in the University of Diffuse company size. Okay. Then this all you have to do, guys. This all you have. Then you register. So this all you have to do. Just register. Okay, so immediately you register. Then you say you Kule, you have registered. So check your mail, right? So you have to check your mail and you guys will continue from there. So let me show you. So this is first one, and I highly recommend everyone to do this one first because oh, Okay, so so I was saying that try to register this one. Okay, so let me show you the opportunities that you can do that. So we have some certificates.
Send the link. Send the link.
Okay, okay. So let me try to send the link. Let me paste it in the so I'll post it in the okay. So I have posted the link in the group. I'll put it in our WhatsApp group as well. Okay, so let's just continue with guys. Don't just get a link. Try to follow it step by step so that at the end of the day you'll be like, Eric, I have joined the thing, but I'm not seeing the topic. Just follow the procedures. The link is there, and I'm not going to. How can I say that I won't give the link to you guys? Okay, so let's move on. So I want to show you the certificate that you can register. So when it comes to Azure, Azure is a Microsoft cloud computing services. So for Azure, you can get three certification for free. So the first one is the AI. So the Azure AI. That's what I told, like I talked about that. I have registered it right now. So that's the AI. But I want to let you know that you can also register for the Azure Fundamentals and Azure Data Fundamentals. Oh, why my network? Guys, my network is okay. Let me try to use this one to reverse. Okay, so Azure, oh, the network is not okay. Okay, please release all the views. Okay, okay, I will do that. I will do that. Don't worry, I'll do that. Okay, guys, so I'm just trying to get my network back on. So I think my network is back. Okay, okay, I have it. So, guys, you can register for the Azure Fundamentals. I just want to know. So these are the days that they will be doing the training for Azure Fundamentals. But for the Azure AI, it's limited because they are having only one day that they are doing the training. So the earlier the better. Today, can you register this one? And for this one, they are saying that you can register for them within this time limit. So don't register for this one because sometimes when the closer we are, then they normally it's normally get filled, right? So let's check this one. Most of the time they'll be like this is filled, but let's check it and see. Okay, good. So I'll say sorry, this virtual training day is full, right? So you can come here, you can check all of them and see the one that's not full. So I know that this one we are in October and this one is will be held in October and today is 16th October. So I know that eventually the virtual training is full. So they have meted some specific people that they are taking. So the earlier the better. That's why I'm saying that try to register them as soon as possible. Okay, so this is the first one that you have to register. Then you register this one too. Then you register this one too. So under the Azure certification. The the three that they are free is the AI fundamental, the Azure fundamentals, and the data fundamental. This one too, you have to register it as early as possible before it go blank or the group, the virtual training gets full. Okay, so before that, let's move on to other sector of Azure. Okay, so Microsoft is also offering their certificate. So those who are into security, compliance, and identity fundamentals. So this one too is a free certification that you can do. So let's try to use the second link and see what's going on. Okay, so this one to see, take this or take the security, compliance, and identity fundamental certification exams at no cost. So whenever you see this one, you say hallelujah. Yeah, so you just have to register them. Just register with your first name, second name, email, company, register. Then you are done. Okay, so when you are done registering, you have to register. So this one too, this is the only one that you can do for the security aspect, Microsoft security. So let's move on to the business application. So for the business application, this one too is there. So whenever you, so the one that I'm showing you, they are the only one that you can study them for free. Right, so this one too, you can see that take this Power Platform Fundamental certification at no cost. So this one too, you have to register and you get the certification for free. So someone will ask, Eric, what about the other ones that maybe this one it will be coming soon? These ones, when you take them, you have to pay, like you have to pay for your own voucher, right? So if you have any problem, like you just let me know. Yeah. Someone who may ask what's voucher? Like Microsoft, when you want to write the exam, you have to pay for the voucher, and like there is so many process that you have to go through before you can write the exams. But don't worry, I'm here to help you because I have been writing the exams daily, right? Okay, so I think this is the trick. I will try to list them down for you, like so that you can just go through. Like I will try to list them. So I just wanted to show some visual uh, tutorials for you to know how it is done. So, okay, so let me try to log into my the email that I registered. So I just want to see. They said they they are sending something in my. They have sent me some email. So let me try to log in the email. Okay, so I think this is the email that they have sent the message. So let me see how it's going to be done. So if you don't get anything, just let me know. It's very easy, but I know that when you are starting something for the first time, it's somehow complicated. It's normal, and this one is very normal because when I'm also starting something. Okay, so guys, you see the message is here. Okay, so you see. Okay, so this one too is very important. The time zone, the time zone. So they are saying that on the 9th of 9th November 2022, the time zone. So this one is very important. Those who are in the don't maybe you are in UK, you are in Ethiopia, you are in Ghana. You have to check the time zone very well so that so you can just do some online search, maybe time zone. So this one they are doing it in US and Canada. So you just copy it and just type something, maybe this time in Ghana, maybe this time zone. They are doing it in Canada, and see, you can just do some online search and you know the exact time that they are doing it. Because if you are going to say that they are doing it right now in Ghana, it's 9 it's 9 6, right? So India, the time is different. So this one, the event is taking place in US and Canada. So they are saying that you have to use the time zone properly. So you just have to um, so this when the time is due, then you come here. This when the time is due. But you don't worry, as time goes on. So this one they are giving you a chance to just add it to your calendar. So I think this is the registration process. There's nothing more to this. So I will okay. So you can register of any of them because I have any of them. I have their past questions available, right? So I will help you guys pass that one there. You are going to pass. Everyone who is going to take this one serious, you are going to pass, right? So I just want you to have this one at the back of your mind. Okay, so you just register, tell me, post in the group, Eric, I have registered for the AI fundamentals. I want the past question. But I also have a channel that's Tech for Everyone channel that I have posted all their virtual trainings. So, when I'm doing their virtual training, I try to record it, right? I record it. So, because of you guys, I want you to have a pre-recorded. So, I record it and I'll post it on a YouTube channel. That's Tech for Everyone YouTube channel. So, it's a Tech for Everyone. That's why I said it's important to follow all our Tech for Everyone. It's important to follow all our YouTube. Okay, so this, but it's important to join the virtual training. Else, if you didn't join the virtual training, you won't get the voucher for free. So you see, this one is a full 8 hour video done by Microsoft. But you can decide not to watch and solve the past question and get the certificate. But it's good to watch it and know the basis of cloud computing. That's the Azure fundamentals. So that one too, if you let me know, I can just send you the link and you just go and watch it as well. But I also have the past question, that's the previous question that was solved. Then I'll post it in the group as well. Okay, so if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, just raise up your hand. I'm going to stop presenting, right? Oh, and I want to thank everyone for joining. I'm amazed. Like it's amazed me. Like I really, this company is created to help people. Like just help people, regardless of your educational background, to get into tech, right? So I'm happy people want to get into tech because it's the future. And people have been asking me, "Ah, Eric, I want to learn this." This is a great opportunity to have a friend like me. I'm not saying to mentor you because I haven't reached anywhere, but just to help you as a friend to achieve what you want to achieve. So if you have any suggestion, just raise up your hand and you just unmute yourself and talk. Okay, Ahmed, one of the finance students. Ahmed, you can unmute yourself and talk. Ahmed, you unmute yourself and you have also muted yourself. So you just unmute yourself and talk. I would like to have conversation with you guys. Maybe how the training. Yeah.
Okay. Good evening.
Yeah. Good evening. Oh, sorry, we can't hear you, Ahmed. Ahmed, your network. But apart from Ahmed, um, and okay, someone has raised their hand. Okay, so just unmute yourself and talk. The name in there. But also unmute
Okay,
yourself.
I'm Rafik.
Okay, okay,
Can you hear me? I said I'm Rafik.
okay. Rafik, please can you talk? We are listening.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so you haven't told us about yourself, what you do. Like,
Okay, okay.
you haven't
So
told us that. We would
okay,
like to know
okay.
where you
So
work, like all these things.
okay, so thank you for that question. I wanted to initially I introduced myself, but I don't know whether you but you just to cut everything short. My name is Yakum Nerek, a current level 200 student in the University of Cape Coast, right? So I'm not working like yeah, I used to do some freelancing. I create websites for people. Okay, so you know,
Okay,
uh yeah, I create, but I'm also starting my own business. So that one I would say that um it's an entrepreneur something, right? So yeah, that's it. And I'm a software engineer and data scientist as well. So yeah, some things. Yeah, are you okay?
you mentioned yeah, you're a data scientist.
Sure.
So what's your like? What do you do? What makes you a data scientist?
Okay.
I'd like
So
to know.
okay. Okay. So as a data scientist, we get a lot of data from the community, right? So when we get the data, we clean the data and we
Yeah,
try to find insights within the data. So I don't want to sound technical, but we have a data analyst and we have a data scientist. So data analyst just analyze the data using Power BI, Tableau, can use Python to do Excel to do some analysis. So that one we call it descriptive analysis. But for data scientists, we go much more further by using applying some machine learning algorithm to predict something. So let me give you a simple example. Whenever you go to YouTube, you search for a particular movie that you like. So maybe you like maybe watch cats videos. So every day you go, you watch cats videos. So
yeah.
YouTube have created some algorithms that it collects your input, that's the data you put
Okay,
in there. So when you go there, always you'll be given that specific videos to watch. That's the work of a data scientist. They have collected your data and they are predicting to you the video that you love to watch, and that we call it a recommendation system. So guys, I think that's enough. I'm not going to say anything.
yeah,
Sure.
yeah. That's enough. I'm satisfied with that.
Okay. Thank you for that.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Guys, we are almost getting to an end, but I would love to answer more questions if you have any doubts or yeah, something. Yeah, but the group is there to help you guys. So if you are not getting anything, and my executive are on board the team. They are also those without the certificate are also trying. They are going to register the certificate and write it. Right. So everyone is getting certified with Microsoft. Hey, you are now come. Okay, so is there any question? If not, then that will be all for today. Ahmed, unmute yourself and talk. Oh, Ahmed, your network is no good. Um, Ahmed,
Good evening to you.
yeah, good evening, Ahmed.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, you can talk. We are listening.
Okay, first of all, I want to thank the organizer for this meeting.
Okay,
Please, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, Ahmed. We can clearly hear you talk.
Okay. So, okay. So my question is, I just went through the link that you sent inside the group,
Okay.
and there were a lot of options regarding the training. So I wanted to know, can I apply for all the trainings, or there's a specific one that one is supposed to apply for?
Okay, so I always say that when you are young in the IT field, explore it, right? Just explore it. Try to pick something hard, learn them, unlearn, like, and when you are learning something in the tech field, like, you just have to. So I will recommend. I was saying that it's easy to get this one. AI fundamental. So as a beginner, it's just an advice. Try to do the AI fundamental, that one first. But you can register all of them. It depends on the day that they will be doing the virtual training. And from the day that they will be doing the virtual training, just join them to be awarded with a voucher. And when you join them, you will book for the day that you write their exams, right? But I'm saying this, just when there is time for you to book the day, book for the AI fundamental. It's easy to get it. Like, it's easy, but I want people to get it before. You see, when you get your first certificate, it encourages you to do more, right? Okay, so yeah, that's all I can say. Just get the first one, that's the AI fundamentals. You can
Yeah.
register for all of them. There's no harm in, like, just register for all of them. And when you are booking for the exams, try to finish with the AI before you go to any other order.
Okay, well noted. And please, with the other trainings, do you have the past questions for it?
Don't worry, I have them. I just want you to get registered, just go through the training, and you are the past
Okay,
questions.
okay.
So you don't worry. Just I'll do the heavy lifting for you. Yeah. Okay, so you can
Okay,
unmute
thanks.
yourself. Yeah,
Thank you very much.
you are welcome, bro. Emmanuel, you can unmute yourself and talk. Oh, I was trying to
Hello,
look. Yeah, Emmanuel.
hello,
Yeah, talk.
hello.
Emmanuel, we can hear you talk.
Okay, the link you send.
Mhm,
Okay, I'm saying the link you send in the group.
mhm.
Yeah, I tried to register, but it seems like I'm not seeing the registration link. Yeah, for me to register. So I want to find out whether you can help me to register the
Don't
courses you
worry,
said you should register.
don't worry. We are in the and we are recording the session as well. But, like, we will post it on Tech for Everyone YouTube channel. But if you are not getting anything, since we are in the same university, you can just reach out to me, and I'll help you do it.
I know you, dear Miss, you are busy. If okay, you have said it. I hear you. Okay,
Don't
thanks.
worry, I'll get time for you, sir. Imani, okay, I want this lady to talk. Anas, talk. Anas, I want you to talk. You, a lady doing computer science, you think it's easy, eh? Unmute yourself and talk. Whether you like it or not, yes, you will talk today. I want a lady to speak in the group. Anas, Anastasia, Anas. Hey, Anas, you don't mind me, eh? I'll get you. You don't mind me. Okay, guys, oh, if we don't have anything to ask, then yeah, I really enjoyed this meeting, and thank everyone for coming. I'm very happy to have this discussion with you guys, and I'm looking forward to that by the end of this program, everyone will be set. Like, 4 or 5 certificates from Microsoft, then yeah, I'll be glad, and maybe we can take it from there. But there are more to this certificate, yeah, because we have some Google certificates, some intermediate and other certificates, but we we just have to finish with the fundamentals before we go there. Okay, so since no one is having any question, I'm just going to leave the group, and I think we are done for the day. Yeah, if you have any question, just you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. We have our group. You can post it like in there, and I would love to help everyone here. Bye, everyone. Advance, man, continue. I'm using you. We are not. I'm just a group.
Yeah, ahyɛse no mu sɛ ɔmo te ase a.
Oh,
Ɛwɔ delete o.
but so jamana ache.
Yo.
Mm. Kule wasan bibi on.
Yeah, guys, just told them that we take
So you can
open available. We go on nature boy. I saw him. I do quite quite.